Hi friends, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create a drop-down list in Excel. First I'll show you how to create a longer drop-down list with more options like this, and then I'll show you a way how to create a short drop-down list with only 2 items, yes and no. Please like and subscribe, support this video and channel, thank you a lot, let's begin. So, to create a drop-down menu with more options, first of all create the list somewhere else, for example in a different spreadsheet, or you can use current spreadsheet. I added a new spreadsheet, named it as fruits, and made a list of fruits that will be used for our drop-down menu. Now we'll click back on the main spreadsheet and create our first drop-down list. Click into the tile in which you want to create the drop-down menu, then click on the Data tab, go to Data Tools section and select the option Data Validation. In the Settings submenu, select Lists from the drop-down menu. Now you need to tell Excel where to find the data for the drop-down list. Click on the icon to the right of the field source. Here we will go to the fruit spreadsheet and select all the fruits that we want to include in the list. Press enter and the contents of our drop-down list are ready. Click OK, and now the selected cell contains a drop-down list from which you can select any fruit you like. Well, now let's create a short drop-down menu consisting of only 2 options. In our case, these are the yes and no options. This menu is much easier to create. The first step is to select a cell, then we will go to the Data tab, go to the Data Validation. Again we will select the list option, but now we will just enter 2 words, yes and no, separated by comma in the field. When both options are in, click on OK and the job is done. The simple drop-down list has been created. Now you know a little more. Thank you for watching, and write in the comments which fruit you think is your favorite. Goodbye.